Ford Mondeo and Fusion replacement Spied in less camouflage. At least in the US, Ford has abandoned the sedan market, but the company hasn't given up on four-door models everywhere. This new gallery of spy shots shows the brand's future replacement for the Fusion and Mondeo testing in Michigan. Compared to earlier looks, this vehicle wears quite a bit less camouflage. In front, there's a strong resemblance to the Ford Evos from China. There's an octagonal grille with a wide, roughly oval shape and mesh in the center. Sharp-edged running lights run just below the hood, and it appears the main headlights are separated below these lamps. The lower fascia has a simple, rectangular inlet. From the side, the sedan looks fairly sleek. The hood has an arched shape and leads to a flowing roof. The back leads to a short trunk. The camouflage hides the design details well, but some sculpting is visible on the doors. The tail is especially interesting. The rear lights span the entire width of the rear. There are clear lamps that appear to be for the turn signals because tiny, red brake lights are on each edge. This car has its window down, but the angles of these photos don't provide a good look into the cabin. The powertrain is a complete mystery. We know for certain there's a combustion engine because of the exhaust pipes and the "Caution Fuel Drain" sticker on the lower portion of the rear bumper. It's not clear what the future is for this vehicle. The Fusion is long gone in the US, and the Mondeo ends production in Europe in March 2022. We don't have high hopes of this sedan being available in America, but selling it in Europe at least seems possible. The Mondeo and the Taurus are still on sale in China, and Ford could be preparing this vehicle for that market.